Welcome back, Logic installers. My phone, once a tool for connection and information, had become an anxiety trigger. A direct feed of external noise designed to hijack my internal state with outrage, comparison, and an endless scroll of despair. Today, I'll show you how to apply Stoic Logic, a powerful internal filter, to navigate that digital chaos and regain control over your mental landscape. This isn't about avoiding technology, it's about mastering your interaction with it. My reactionary brain, that legacy code wanting immediate gratification and tribal belonging, was constantly being hooked. It craved the outrage, the emotional headlines, the fear-mongering that social algorithms excel at delivering. And the result? Mental exhaustion, anger, a distorted view of reality, and the feeling that I was perpetually falling behind. This isn't just about wasting time. It's about allowing external, uncontrollable data to dictate your internal state. So, how do we apply the control filter to this relentless digital input? Let's take a common scenario. An outrageous news headline flashes across your screen. This is our input. Now for the logic check. Can I control the event described in this headline? No, in almost every case, I cannot. Can I control my consumption of this information? Absolutely. Can I control my emotional reaction to it? Yes, with practice. The output, once you run it through the filter, becomes clear. Discern whether the information is actionable for you. If not, limit your exposure. Focus only on what you can influence, or simply disengage. Recognize that much of what you see online is external noise, data designed to trigger a reaction, not to inform or empower you. Your internal state is too valuable to be hijacked by pixels. After numerous bugs in my system, those moments of excessive digital emotional drain, I developed a logic patch for my digital hygiene. This isn't about willpower alone. It's about architectural changes. My patch includes designated check times for social media and news, preventing mindless scrolling throughout the day. It also involved unfollowing or muting accounts that consistently triggered negative emotions without providing value. Sometimes it's about installing actual software patches like app timers. These specific rules act as firewalls, protecting my internal processor from unnecessary overload. Now, for the view from above. Look at the sheer, overwhelming scale of information flowing across the globe every second. Millions of stories, countless opinions, endless streams of data, much of it designed to capture your attention and provoke a reaction. Trying to control or even fully comprehend this external tsunami is futile. This vast, uncontrollable nature of global information flow highlights precisely why an internal filter, a robust Stoic logic, is not just helpful but absolutely essential for mental resilience. It grounds you in what is within your power. And finally, our Amor Fati moment. I am actually grateful for those periods of digital overstimulation. They were not wasted time. They were crucial stress tests for my philosophy. They forced me to confront the vulnerability of my legacy code and pushed me to develop robust digital boundaries and discernment. Loving those overwhelming moments means accepting them as the necessary challenges that forged a more peaceful, productive, and ultimately more free relationship with technology. The chaos taught me the logic. Next time, we'll bring it all together in The Integrated System, Your Resilient OS in Action, showing how all these tools work together in a real-world, high-pressure scenario. Until then, keep building that internal firewall and stay logical.